Okay, we are trying to catch my bird.
Here! Get him, Maddie, get him!
Okay, let me try the helicopter.
Go!
Oh!
You have to throw it, Jan. Go do it.
I can't.
Okay, I'm about to get more hats. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna try the helicopter flippy trick on my hat.
Step up.
Here we go.
Okay, ready?
Go! Hurry up!
Oh, almost. Okay, last hat.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Okay.
Go,
With
go,
my...
get him, Maddie! Step up!
Oh, he's right there. You got him. Okay, he's right there. Hold him now.
Get him.
Hold him.
Yeah, he's
Inside.
decided to fly.
Get him.
Get him!
Get him.
This is scary, man.
Get him.
Ready?
Oh, get him.
John, get him.
Calm down, Kuya.
Get your enough. Don't let him out there.
Dude, there might be like a hole in the window.
Don't let him out.
Maddie, don't let him on.
Where-
Catch him with your hat. Give me a hat. Where's your hat?
Get a bunch of hats.
You go that way, I go this way, okay?
Don't let him out. No, you hold his hand. Hold him.
Check the middle. Slowly.
What are you doing?
John, get him.
Archie. Right there, that's right under your head.
You see it?
Yes, it is. Slowly. Archie. Come here.
Shh. It's okay, Archie. It's okay.
It's okay, Archie.
He can bite you.
He's trying to bite me, but.
Good job.